If you're tired of soggy salads and wasting time drying leafy greens with paper towels, it's time to upgrade your kitchen routine. A salad spinner is the ultimate tool that every health-conscious cook should own. It quickly and efficiently removes excess water from lettuce, spinach, herbs, and even berries, giving you crisp, fresh results every time. No more dripping greens or messy cleanups. With just a few spins, your produce is dry and ready to serve. Click the link in the description and grab the best product today. Number 5. Small Salad Spinner. Make healthy eating easier with the Small Salad Spinner, the perfect tool for washing and drying fruits and vegetables in one compact design. Ideal for single servings, this mini spinner is perfect for salads, herbs, berries, grapes, and cherry tomatoes. Its space-saving size fits comfortably in any kitchen drawer or cabinet, unlike large salad spinners that take up too much space. Designed for convenience, it features a removable colander, a tall bowl with measuring units, and a smooth spinning top for effortless drying. It's sturdy, durable, and easy to use, a great solution for reducing waste by prepping just the right amount. Number 4. Stainless Steel Salad Spinner. Upgrade your kitchen with the Stainless Steel Salad Spinner, a stylish and functional tool for washing and drying your favorite produce. Made from high-quality 18/8 stainless steel and BPA-free ABS plastic, this spinner ensures both safety and long-lasting durability. Its 4.2-quart capacity makes it perfect for leafy greens like kale, collards, and lettuce, as well as herbs, berries, broccoli, cauliflower, and more. The easy-to-use crank handle offers precise spinning control, making it gentle enough for delicate fruits and efficient for bulkier vegetables. Its transparent lid lets you monitor the process, while the non-slip silicone base keeps the bowl stable during high-speed spins. Cleaning is a breeze with fewer removable parts, simply rinse or toss it in the dishwasher. Number 3. OXO Good Grip Stainless Steel Salad Spinner. Experience hassle-free meal prep with the OXO Good Grip Stainless Steel Salad Spinner, designed to dry lettuce and greens quickly, efficiently, and effortlessly. With its non-slip, one-handed pump mechanism, you can spin your produce dry in seconds, no extra hands needed. It also features a convenient built-in brake to instantly stop spinning, giving you full control during prep. The inner basket doubles as a colander, perfect for rinsing leafy greens, herbs, or berries. The sturdy stainless steel outer bowl is not only durable but also elegant enough to serve directly on the table. When it comes to cleaning, the lid separates easily for a thorough wash, ensuring no residue is left behind. With its 6.34-quart capacity, this salad spinner is ideal for families or entertaining guests. Number 2. Cuisinart Salad Spinner. Make meal prep fast and easy with the Cuisinart Salad Spinner, a convenient 3-quart solution for washing, spinning, and drying your favorite greens, fruits, and vegetables. This compact yet powerful spinner features a user-friendly spin knob that delivers quick and efficient drying action with minimal effort. You can add or drain water without removing the lid, thanks to its smart design that ensures seamless operation. The spinner locks securely in place during use, and the non-skid base keeps it stable on your countertop, preventing spills or movement. The clear base also doubles as a stylish serving bowl, adding versatility to your kitchen essentials. Perfectly sized for small salads or a basket of fresh fruit, this salad spinner is both practical and space-saving. Backed by a lifetime warranty, it promises reliable performance and lasting satisfaction. Number 1. OXO Good Grips Large Salad Spinner. The OXO Good Grips Large Salad Spinner is a must-have kitchen tool for anyone who loves fresh salads and efficient meal prep. With its innovative one-handed pump, you can dry your greens effortlessly and quickly. A patented brake system stops the basket instantly with a simple press, offering precise control during use. The storage lock feature allows the pump to sit flush with the lid, making it easy to stack and store. Its non-skid base ensures stability while spinning, so there's no slipping or mess. The removable basket doubles as a handy colander, and the durable clear bowl is perfect for serving or storing your freshly washed greens. Whether you're rinsing lettuce, drying herbs, or prepping vegetables, this spinner handles it all with ease. Durable, functional, and thoughtfully designed, the OXO Large Salad Spinner brings professional-grade performance to your kitchen. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and click the bell icon for more amazing reviews. Check the links in the description to find your favorite products. Your support helps us at no extra cost to you. See you in the next video. Stay awesome and take care.